If you should check right here, you will see that in the last 28 days, I was able to get over 1,000 subscribers on this particular channel using this particular method which I'm about to share with you right now. And the good thing about this particular method which I'm about to share with you right now is that you don't even need to make any video before you be able to get subscribers using this method which I'm about to share with you right now. And I was able to use this particular strategy which I share with you right now to achieve over 7,000 subscribers on my channel, even though I stopped posting video recently. Okay, and all you just need to do is to go on right now and go to Play Store and update your YouTube application. Update it, because this particular strategy which we are about to use right now is actually available in YouTube latest application. If you are using the old version of YouTube, you will see that this particular method of getting subscribers on YouTube may not be able to work for you. This is actually a new method that YouTube actually roll out for those that do not have, maybe you do not have time to make video. This particular method will actually help you to be able to make video with the help of YouTube without you making your own video or sitting down to start making video. But with the help of this AI that YouTube just released, you will be able to make video. Let's actually get started. But before we get started, the first thing I want you to do right now for me is to help me to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and tell me the country where you are watching from in the comment section of this video before we continue. All I just need to do is to go on right now and update my YouTube application. Once I update my YouTube application, I will open the application right now. Once I open my YouTube application, it will take me to this particular section right now. All I just need to do is click on this plus icon right now, plus button. Once I click on this plus button, all I just need to do is to go on right now and select short. Okay, once you select short, it will take you to this particular section right now. All you just need to do is to click on this. You can see this icon right here, this particular place that I'm pointing right now. Click on it. Once you click on it, this is actually a new section that YouTube just roll out. But though those that are in UK or US, this has been available in UK or US, but they just roll it out mostly in Africa country this year. Okay, even though it may be available before, but I just discovered this particular section recently. Okay, on YouTube. All I just need to do right now is to look for any video which I want to actually replicate. I want any video that I want to actually record such video without me doing any work. YouTube will help me to write the script and be able to help me to record such a video. Let's actually take a look at one of these videos. Let's take, for instance, that we want to make use of this particular video right now. Let's choose this particular one right now. When we click on the video right now, all we just need to do right now is to go on right now. You can see YouTube will write the script of that video for us. You can see this is the script that YouTube actually wrote for us. All we just need to do is to go on right now and use this script to generate such video. Okay, such similar video like the one that I just clicked on right now. If you want to add anything, you can even update this particular prompt. Okay, after that, I will click on this section right now. Once I click on this section right now, you can see that it is actually loading right now, and YouTube will be able to make a special or original video just like the one we just clicked on right now. This particular method is actually helping people to get subscribers on YouTube without them making video by themselves. After about 5 minutes, our video is finally ready, and you can see a video, an AI video that YouTube actually generated for us. And the good thing about this is that YouTube is actually the one making this video for us by themselves, which means they will not delete this particular video or they will not see it as an inauthentic content. Okay, all I just need to do right now is to go on right now and click on next. If you wish to add sound, if you check it and you wish to add sound, you can click on this section right now to add sound. And if you wish to add any text, you can click on this text section right now to add text. But as for me, I don't want to add text at this time. I'll click on next. Once I click on next, the next thing I need to do is to go on right now and add title. Okay, let me just use this as a title. After writing my title, make sure you write your title well. Okay, let me just use a man and animal. Okay, let me just use this. After that, the next thing is scroll down right now to this particular section right now. When I scroll down, I will write the description in the video. After writing my description, I will scroll down right now and choose my playlist if I have a playlist for it. After that, I will scroll down right now to this section right now. This is very important. AI use. Click on AI use. Select yes. Once you select yes, go back right now. Once you go back right now, the next thing you need to do is to go on right now and click on this upload short. Once you click on this upload short, the video will start uploading immediately. You can see that this is actually the video that is uploading. By the end of this particular video, I will tell you what you will need to do once you achieve your 1000 subscribers on YouTube using this particular method, which I'm sharing with you right now. And another method you can actually use, since this one is actually uploading right now, let me show you another method you can also use to create more original video using AI on YouTube. All you just need to do is to click on this particular section right now. Click on this plus icon right now. Once you click on it, all you just need to do is to click on this icon again. Once you click on it, the next thing you need to do is to go on right now and click on this photo to video. Okay, this particular section will actually help you to turn your photo into a video. I will go on right now and select one of my photos. Okay, let me just select one of my photos. Once I select one of my photos right now, it will actually turn my photo into a video. You can see it right now. It's actually generating a script which it will use to convert this photo into a video. The next thing I need to do is to go on right now and write what I want to say in this particular session. Okay, you can see what I wrote right here. Getting subscribers on YouTube is now easy. That is what I want to see. I want this image to say. Remember, it is actually an image that I uploaded. Okay, all I need to do is to click on this section right now. Once I click on this section, this YouTube will be able to help me to convert the image into a video. And the text, you can write anything there. Whatever you want the video to say, you will just write it there, and you will be able to see that image. You'll be able to say it in the, and you can see that our video is now ready right now. YouTube have finally converted this particular image into a video. Let's play it right now. You can see. You can see. It is actually look real. Let me play it again. You can see it right there. All you just need to do is to go on right now and edit it if you want to edit it. After that, all you just need to do is to go on right now and click on next. Once you click on next, you just need to go on right now. Okay, getting subscribers. Let me use subscribers. Okay, let me just use that as the title. After that, I will go on right now and I will choose yes, I use AI. Okay, after that, I will go on right now and click on this upload short. Once I click on this upload short, you will see that this short will start uploading immediately. And with the help of this, you will see that a lot of people, you can see this. I join to go on right now and make this this particular one public. I'll make this particular one also public. Once I make it public, you will see that a lot of people will start watching this particular short, and in turn it will be giving us more subscribers. You can see this particular one actually gave us more subscribers, but the strategy that I usually use is that once I get over 1000 subscribers, all I usually do is I will delete all these videos, all these short videos, or I will put it into unlisted. What you can see, it has finished uploading. It is now in unlisted, or I will put it into unlisted. Once I unlist all these videos, the next time is to start uploading my long form videos. You can see that I deleted all the short videos which I used to grow this particular channel. But when I get over, once I got monetized, all I don't need to do is to start posting my long form videos. You can see my long form videos that they are performing well on this particular channel. And if you want me to share with you more ways you'll be able to use to get your 4000 watchers, because apart from getting your 1000 subscribers, you will require to also get your 4000 watchers for you to be able to get monetized on YouTube. Let me know in the comment section of this video if you want me to share the strategy you can use to get your 4000 watchers very fast on YouTube. And I would like to hear your opinion. Have you been using this particular method before? If after using it, are you able to get your over 1000 subscribers on YouTube? Let me hear your opinion in the comment section of this video, and I'm signing out for now.